In order for us to find the measure of angle 1, we can use the angle measures of 2 to find angle 1. So first of all, the first thing we know is that angle 1 is twice the measure of angle 2. So angle 1 equal to 2 times angle 2. And here we can see that angle 2 is equal to this angle by vertical angles. So this one is also angle 2. And this angle would also be equal to each other by corresponding angles. So this would also be angle 2. And we know that these two angles added up equal 180 degrees because it's on a single line. So you have angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. So let's just plug in all these values. We can put in angle 1 plus 2 times angle 2. Let's plug this in. So you have 2 times angle 2 plus 2 angle 2 is equal to 180. This gets us 3 times angle 2 is equal to 180. So we divide both sides by 3. We get angle 2 is equal to 60. Now, make sure you understand it's asking for angle 1. So angle 1 is 2 times angle 2 according to this equation. So therefore, 2 times angle 2 is equal to 120.